So if you've watched both of them, feel free to put a comment in the comments below and I will read those. So anyway, I appreciate you guys being here, and as always, Shaloha. Piece, and you'll lay it right on the center line. Wire these off. And this should, right? Okay, this is the big reveal. You get to see it when I see it. So here it goes. not so bad. Okay, let's see if I can flip this towards me, and then I'll peel the bottom off towards you guys so you can see what it looks like. So let's see. Oh, look at there. Do this without breaking something. Slide that one down. All right, the moment of truth. Does the thing stand on its own? It's nice and light. That is sweet. Get you guys a little better look, a little action. All right, well that does it for another video, but before we go, I have to give a big shout out to my followers. Thank you so much for getting me past that 10,000 mark, and we're continuing to grow, and so thank you so much. That's a goal for me that has been surpassed, and I hope to continue to grow with you guys. So those of you who haven't subscribed and liked, and if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe and like buttons, and I'll be able to continue to bring out content like this. And so as always, thank you, and Shaloha.